Across the globe, schools embrace technology, but what happens to old computers? When they become outdated or break down, they often end up in storage rooms, gathering dust or worse, in landfills, contributing to e-waste. Just like nature's cycle, computers can have a new life after retirement. Through the process of recycling, these old machines can be disassembled and their components can be repurposed or reused. Recycling these machines is vital, not only for the environment but also for recovering valuable resources. Precious metals like gold, silver and copper can be extracted from the circuit boards and other components, reducing the need for mining new materials. Join us as we journey into the fascinating world of computer recycling. We'll explore how these old devices are given a new lease on life, the technology and processes involved, and the impact this has on our planet. From the initial collection of discarded electronics to the intricate process of breaking them down and extracting valuable materials, we'll see how every step plays a crucial role in creating a sustainable future. Discover the innovative ways companies and organizations are turning e-waste into opportunities and learn how you can contribute to this important cause. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the life cycle of old computers and the incredible transformations they undergo. Our journey begins in schools, where outdated computers await a new purpose. Technicians carefully pack and remove these machines, ensuring safe transportation. Each computer, monitor and keyboard begins its journey toward a sustainable future. Every item is meticulously documented upon arrival at the recycling facility. This asset recording process involves noting serial numbers, models, and any other identifying information. This meticulous record keeping ensures responsible handling and tracking throughout the recycling process. Data security is paramount. Before any further processing, hard drives are removed and securely destroyed. Specialized machines crush these drives into tiny pieces, rendering any stored data irretrievable. This crucial step safeguards sensitive information. Section 5. Careful disassembly. Taking computers apart. Next, skilled technicians carefully dismantle the computers. Using specialized tools, they separate various components like plastic casings, metal parts, and electronic boards. Each material is sorted for its specific recycling stream. Section 6. Treasure within circuit boards. Among the components, circuit boards hold hidden treasures. These intricate boards contain small amounts of precious metals like gold, silver, and palladium. Extracting these valuable resources is a key aspect of computer recycling. Section 7. From circuit boards to gold bars. Circuit boards, the backbone of modern electronics, are sent to specialized refineries. These refineries are equipped with advanced technology and skilled workers who meticulously handle the circuit boards. Here, they undergo a complex and intricate process designed to extract precious metals. This process is not only about reclaiming valuable materials, but also about ensuring that the extraction is done in an environmentally responsible manner. Through a combination of chemical and physical treatments, these metals are separated and purified. The chemical baths dissolve the metals, while physical separation processes help in isolating them from other materials. This stage is crucial as it determines the purity and quality of the final product. Once the metals are purified, they are transformed into usable forms. One of the most valuable outcomes of this process is the creation of gold bars. These gold bars are molded from liquid gold, a mesmerizing sight as the molten metal is poured into molds. The bars are then cooled and solidified, ready to be used in various industries or stored as a form of wealth. This journey from circuit boards to gold bars highlights the incredible potential of recycling and the importance of advanced technological processes in reclaiming valuable resources. Section 8. A greener future. The benefits of recycling. Recycling is a crucial step towards a sustainable future. It involves the process of converting waste materials into new materials and objects, which helps in reducing the consumption of fresh raw materials, thereby conserving natural resources and reducing energy usage. Recycling computers is not just about recovering valuable materials, it's a comprehensive approach to managing electronic waste responsibly. When we recycle computers, we recover precious metals like gold, silver and copper, which can be reused in manufacturing new products. This not only reduces the need for mining new materials, but also minimizes the environmental impact associated with mining activities. It's about protecting our planet. By recycling, we ensure that fewer harmful substances end up in our soil and water, preserving the natural beauty and health of our environment. Recycling helps maintain the balance of our ecosystems, ensuring that forests remain lush, rivers stay clean, and skies are clear. By recycling, we reduce electronic waste in landfills, conserve natural resources, and prevent harmful toxins from polluting the environment. Electronic waste, or e-waste, contains hazardous materials such as lead, mercury, and cadmium, which can leach into the soil and water, causing severe environmental and health issues. Proper recycling of e-waste ensures that these toxic substances are safely managed and disposed of and prevent harmful toxins from polluting the environment. Recycling also plays a significant role in mitigating climate change. By reducing the need for raw material extraction and processing, we lower greenhouse gas emissions, which are a major contributor to global warming. Every small effort in recycling can lead to substantial positive impacts on our planet's health. Moreover, it creates jobs and boosts the economy. The recycling industry provides employment opportunities in various sectors, from collection and processing to manufacturing and sales. This not only supports local economies, but also fosters innovation and development in sustainable technologies. As the demand for recycled materials grows, so does the potential for economic growth and job creation. Choosing to recycle computers is choosing a greener and more sustainable future for generations to come. By making conscious decisions today, we can ensure a healthier planet for our children and grandchildren. Recycling is a simple yet powerful way to contribute to environmental conservation, economic stability, and the overall well-being of our communities. Let's embrace the benefits of recycling and work together towards a brighter, greener future.